Hi everybody, so here we have a smallest mini camper van available, I say, on market. That's Japanese Mazda Scrum. This camper van is a factory camper van, year 2013. It's a four-wheel drive and has air condition, so that's pretty high spec. It's a factory built by company Indy, called Indy 727. So this is Mazda Scrum, and also they are Suzuki carries. They basically the same engine, same shape, but they got two names in Japan. This camper van has a pop-up roof. The person, 6-foot person, can stand there easy and just do the things. So the camper van is basically registered for 4 person. Actually, I was surprised. I have a book that I show you. It's pretty small, but it's actually pretty much space there if you know what you're doing. That's interior. So this one has a air condition, and it's 4-wheel drive, so pretty high spec. That's interior. I show you different options how to do the setup. 1 second, I just go out. That's your fuel tank and battery. Side windows, rear window here. It's pretty cool. Doors, they have an interior lock, and that's the separate door for the, I show you, for the summer. If you want to lock just these, summertime, you just lock this separately. Little mesh, so insect can go in while you're camping in the winter time, or the summertime, sorry. Pretty cool machine. Now let's get inside. So interior, that's all the boards to make up the bed or bench, whatever you want. This is our panel with the light and pump and everything. That's the light here. Battery charge here. Battery's charging. You have a laser battery under the knee there. You need to unbolt the box, so that's if you camping in the middle of the nowhere, everything works from laser battery. If you're on a campsite, you can connect yourself to the power. So here you have a connection. Unbolt these, and you have your cable, Japanese socket, but there's converter for you also included, and the cable is right under here. I am not going to pull it out, just the option. You can hook up. You can charge your battery also when the engine is running fully. So that's your base for table. Our table is located at the back here, as you can see. You can put it up. I just take up lines here. So now that's the windows. Little sink. Pump is here, but I have no water in the tank, so I switch that off. I didn't switch that off. Switch that off. Now you have your water tanks, wastewater and clear water here on the little sink. They're not huge, but they will do the job, I am sure. It's mini camper van at the end of the days. Then this is actually pretty cool. So that's your sink, your tap, and you can pull this out and you can use it in the summer as a shower. You can pull it out and set up here. So in the summertime, if it's hot outside, you can have a quick shower outside the camper. That's a pretty cool option, I think. So let's get that back in. it's nothing missing, just this full factory camper. Only one thing that it doesn't have is a toilet, but you can get your chemical Cassetti toilet. You can buy it in the shop for £50. That's not a big deal. So the table leg is here. You take the table leg out and you can put it here. So that's the table leg, and as I said, the table is at the back there. So I can show you now different options, how you can set it up. So it has a little book, camper van has a little book here. You can see here, you can make a bed, side sofa, then you can get a full bed. Now that's the camper, how it looks like here. As the engine compartment is actually under the driver's seat. So that's different options. So you can do the bench seat at the back, sidewise, and in the front, like I have it now at the moment. Then that's the table I was mentioned. Is at the back there. And that's my setup at the moment. You can turn it this way. Actually, the rear has a 2 seat belts as well, so legally 4 people can can be in a car while driving. So that's the bed demonstration here. I'm not going to do it all. I just see you in the book. That was pretty cool. The book was here. And that's full bed. So you can really make a full bed in a camper. 2 people sleep comfortably. That's your table as well. I was showing the corner. You need to pull it out from there. And many more settings here. Little cushion goes on the side under that window there, just to fill up the space. And now we're going to move to a pop-up roof. So basically, another cool thing, you have all these catch-ups plastics, so doors are not flying when you open and it's windy. When they open and it's windy, just that pops in, it's done. They won't move anymore. So coming to the roof, I show you guys, you have a 2 little hooks, one here, one there, and now you can push your top up. So that's pretty cool. It's all up now. So yeah, sorry about that. So now we have a roof pop it off. I go pop it up, I go out. Let me show you. So that's the camper with the roof up. It's about 2 meters high. So person with 1.8, 6 foot, 6 foot something can stand comfortably in it. A little demonstration here again. Let's get back in. So that's the area and the space. I can show you. I just put the phone here. So basically I'm standing here with the roof up. And that's the space. You have a little side windows here. You can open them in the summertime. pretty cool. This is perfect material, waterproof and windproof. Then you can make another bed here. 2 people sleep comfortably on the top of it. So as I say, I'm standing here and look at the space, and I am 6 foot tall, a little bit more, over 6 foot. Now you see the storage, plenty storage place in the camper. All around the place, and also here. Now, so coming to another option, that's Webasto heater, original Webasto. So it takes fuel from fuel tank. It's connected directly to the fuel tank, so you just turn it off and turn it on here, and you have your Webasto outlet here. It warms up in 1 minute, and it's a fantastic job. It warms off place pretty quick. And that's your sockets for 220 volts. You can need used converters in Europe, but that's easy to get in any £2 shop. To close the windows, you have 2 different options. You can open window, then you can use these for summer, just to not get any insect in, and you have a nice breeze coming into van in these warm evenings or days, or completely blind off when you're going to sleep or camp somewhere for privacy. All windows are the same around, same option, same the big one here. Your storage, it's under that bench seat, so you can put a few things here, and all the drawers around. So it's not a huge camper van, but it's fantastic. With the 4-wheel drive option, it must be very cool machine to drive, go on climb the hills and camp to places where you can only walk or cycle. And it's a small, it's 2.3 meter, 2.5 meter long and 2 meter wide, so 2 people can camp in these comfortably. I think it depends on the size of the person also, but it's cool. Pump also has a hot and cold water. I forgot to mention what else. Just a little light here. We turn it off. That's the night light, and that's all your panel. You need to translate these because all letters are in Japanese, but I can show you. I can demonstrate you how you can use your Google Translator, and it's pretty simple. And that's your main battery. I switch off all the switches on off position. That's just the main battery charging, and your Webasto heater is placed there. You get entrance into these just on both of this wall, and you can just check it or whatever if you want to do it, but it's not necessary. So again, I'm going to put this down. Let's take a van for a little bit of drive. So this particular model is a 5-speed 4-wheel drive with high four-wheel drive and low for extreme terrain option, and has a air condition also. Let's take it for a little spin. Radio works. Let's take it for a little spin around. This mini camper has a 76,000 kilometers from new, which is really low. Drives absolutely beautifully. With 5-speed is very good for a motorway, and you can cruise 100 kilometers per hour with absolutely no problem. Also, the engine is 660cc Suzuki engine, F6A, and parts are available, service kits and everything, anywhere online, on different online shops. Wow, what a cool machine to drive. Pretty good turn. Oh my god, that's fantastic. You can turn in a tiny little space without even thinking about it. These are available in different options. You can get a non-air conditioned two-wheel drive option, which will be cheap. So these, the main thing to talk about is the price. So these are starting €10,000, landed in Europe or in Ireland between 10 and 25,000. Depends year, condition, and four-wheel drive or air condition. All these. So if you see the video on YouTube, you can comment below or send me email if you request more information on them, or you want to own one, or even think just to come and try to take it for a drive or have a look with your own eyes. Now again, that's the little camper. What a gorgeous machine. So, okay guys, thanks for watching, and press the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thank you, and see you in a bit.